Okay. Round 2. Oh. I get your door open again. There you go. So settled down, and we heard a scary, strange sound over yonder, and so I went to go check in the barn and the birds outside, see if everybody's okay. Oh my goodness, I just missed that. While I was in the barn, I went ahead and grabbed them some more straw because I just seen that they needed some in their box that they keep closing the door to. I need to get a stone in front of that door. And I put straw up on their bed, but they are currently knocking it down again. So that's what we do, Mama. And eat and stand in the food. You're not supposed to stand in the food. You want up here? Monarch, come here. See, that one's still Monarch and that one's Patty. That one's Drumstick. What are you looking at me for? Sorry, the wind's blowing so much again. I got covered in straw carrying it out here. It's like, this is just gonna blow right in my hair. It's all over my phone now. Are you the queen? Oh, she's running again. That one's Red Hot. She's the first one that was born. I've always been able to tell her because she's got little black markings around her head and the neck. I think they're so pretty. I have no idea how they came to be, but I think they're pretty. Really, girl? That's for y'all to lay in. It's not food. Your food's down there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So instead of a pillow fight, it's a straw fight. All I can say is I tried. I did. I tried. Oh, do you want up here? Come on. Red Hot, come up. Like, nope. She's like a 2-second attention span. And then she moves on. Go, Patty, go. Oh, I just pecked Monarch's face, huh? That wasn't a mean peck, that was cleaning off any dirt or bugs. Oh my gosh. And just like that, in less than 5 minutes, almost all the straw is dumped out of the chair. Y'all are silly. Are you proud of yourself, ma'am? Are you? You did a very good job. They appreciate it very much. Oh, yeah. Hey, Monarch. What you doing? Again. Oh, the wind. You got straw in your fur, girl. Your feathers, I'm sorry. Hey. I felt that. What you doing? You want up here? You want up here, baby? I feel that peck. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Do you want pets? I'll pet you. Look, I'll peck you. You're silly. You're looking up at me like that. And she just went in. Gotta scratch all this straw out of the kennel now. We're not laying eggs yet. We don't need this. Actually, her mother, Monarch's mother, always scratches everything out of her kennel. She wants to lay it on the bare floor. Hey, baby, come here. You ready? Any takers? Hey, give me some wormies. I have some salad to bring y'all. You are super silly. Oh, it's you talking in there. Did you make a nest and, consider laying eggs soon? Hmm? Is it all good? You got a nest now? Yeah, you made a nest. Look at that. There's a nest in there. Oh, speaking of, so I'd gone in, and I think I had gone in and I was going to run a key with Monarch, and I heard, I think we were still looking for somebody. We were looking for a tanker, a healer, and I heard a commotion out here, and I was like, oh goodness, I better go see what's up with the birds. So since other people were AFK, I ran AFK and came out here, and checked the barn and the birds that were out, like seeing what was up, and I think it was the egg sawing and the mama hen that went broody. I realized I hadn't seen this, but in the back corner she had started making another clutch of eggs. But I'm like, it's the back corner, how am I going to get back there and get them before she goes broody on them? But I think it's super funny because it happened the other day too, and I didn't see what had happened. This time I saw the eggs, so I think she had... Oh, baby. Did that scare you, baby girls? We're gonna have to get this door to stay. What are you doing? Oh, more scratching. Oh, Turkey is hunting stuff in the grass. I got some tall grass. I should go grab some grass for you guys. Yeah. Would you stop pecking me so much? I'm gonna pet you. Do you want up here? I don't know about this camera. Come on, baby. So we have one scratching inside, and one scratching underneath the chair. The one on the chair. Yeah. You have successfully got all the straw out of there. There's just some dust. I wish there wasn't dust, but... Hi, baby. Come here. You're shy. I don't believe you. It's time to go back to eating. It's okay, Patty. I was just petting. Yes, you're so pretty. I know. Mom's over there. Yeah, she's over there with the other turk. She's watching y'all. You get to meet her next week. Maybe. Wait, no, you stay here with Barry. Or Pepper. I think I'll put them with Pepper until they're bigger. Hi, baby. Oh my gosh, there's mosquitoes out here. What are you doing over there, Turk? Yes, ma'am. Can I help you with something? Oh, you're gonna move on now? I almost had a customer. What you doing, sir? You got the boys? Come on. You're pecking my leg, ma'am. That cloud is not a marshmallow. Oh, hello, turkey. I hear birds in the trees. Guys, the turkeys didn't gobble at that truck. This is our dinner time. I just had mine, and my husband went to go take a nap. Yep. Okay, you can get on my lap, but not my shoulder. I now have a shoulder bird. I might need to end this. What you girls do when you get on my shoulder is not nice. Oh, she flew away after her sister. I'm sorry. Can you come back and get on my lap? I think I need to... Oh, you're not going to fight about it? You want up here? Come on again. I think I'm going to put the phone down and cuddle these chickens. They don't want their cuddles. They just don't like the phone, and I don't like not having my hand available. So they go up to my chest and shoulder. And they don't really fit on my shoulder no more. I know. Yeah, I used to do that. Ow! Can you please not peck me now? If you want up, you come up, but you stay in the lap, okay? Up, 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 up. Alright, peace, love, and chickens, y'all. Hope you have a great day. I might candle the eggs tonight. I might wait until tomorrow because I might get a second incubator. But we'll see how the eggs are doing soon. And in a couple of weeks, I might have some babies. Then more babies. Peace, love, and chickies.